Summer is a time for students to rest, recharge, and enjoy a well-deserved break, but it's also an important time to keep learning going. I want to personally invite our families to take full advantage of our Sensational Summer Learning programs so that our scholars will be ready and recharged for the next school year. Our summer programs are designed to help students stay on track, build confidence, and grow in a fun, engaging, meaningful way. For our younger scholars, we're placing a strong focus on reading. We want to support the goals of the Alabama Literacy Act and make sure that your child is building the skills that they need in order to become strong, successful readers. For our middle school scholars, we have opportunities that we will be participating in transition camps, Girls Inc., STEM programs, and exciting experiences through partnerships with Miles College, UAB, and the McWane Science Center. And for our high school students, we're offering targeted ACT preparation, dual enrollment, and credit advancement to give them a head start and open doors for college and career opportunities. We also want to make this easy as possible for our families. Meals and transportation are provided so students will have access to this incredible opportunity. This summer, let's keep the momentum going. Let's keep our students learning, growing, and achieving together. Parents, you can register today by going online to www.bhamcityschools.org. We want to see your child this summer. Behind all the amazing work that's happening in Birmingham City Schools is a group of outstanding people. I recently had the pleasure of attending a luncheon where we honored our Teachers of the Year, Counselors of the Year, and Librarian of the Year. Outstanding educators and support professionals who pour their hearts into our students every single day. It was a wonderful reminder of the talent, dedication, and love that exists across our district. To all of our honorees, I want to say thank you for the difference that you make. And to all of our Birmingham City Schools employees, families, and community partners, thank you for helping us to continue to move forward. Let's head over to Oxmoor Valley Elementary School where the Jaguars have some new and amazing artwork on display. The school recently celebrated the unveiling of its new Unity Mural. Oxmoor Valley's kindergarten, second grade, and fifth grade scholars in Ms. Ziegler's art class helped design the new mural. We are grateful to Erica Chisholm who painted the mural, and we are thankful to the Magic City chapter of the Links Incorporated for making such a generous donation to help bring this beautiful mural to life. Our celebrations don't stop there. I also want to celebrate all of our scholar athletes who successfully recently competed in the Alabama High School Athletic State Championship events. Your hard work, discipline, teamwork, and dedication make Birmingham City Schools proud. We celebrate your accomplishments and we look forward to seeing all that you will continue to achieve. Birmingham City Schools, success starts here.